Hello! Second world chess champion Emanuel Lasker used this move to gain an advantage, and finally he won the game with magnificent attack. You may ask me which move he used. I will explain you everything in details in this video, from the nice strategical move till to the final attack. My name is Pavel and welcome you to my YouTube channel, and let's start. In this position, Lasker played with the white pieces, and he made a really strategically nice decision. The pawn goes forward to the e6, and basically this pawn cuts the field into two sides and destroys the black pieces. So after bishop g6, black trying to activate the bishop, we're going knight h4. What is the idea? We basically are ready to take the bishop and underline the weaknesses on the white squares. And as well, we are looking maybe to put the knight to f5 in some case. Also can be. And this pawn is so magnificent. The black pieces are not ready to go to defend their own king. So we are starting an attack on the king side. And let's see how Lasker provided this attack. If black will go bishop e4, we can easily go f3 and nothing else then return back black they don't have. So that's why on knight h4, black decided to play knight e5. They're trying to counter white on the queenside area and maybe trying to take the bishop. But after knight takes g6, h takes g6, we are just moving bishop c2. A very nice pair of bishops, especially the bishop on c2, because he is ready to attack the king side. This pawn is so weak, and the king position is weak in general. So black played f5, trying to put the pawn on the white square to lock the bishop from c2. But we are ready to attack. King goes h1. What is the thin idea of this move? I want to move the rook to g1, because the g line will be unlocked in the near future, and attack black's position on the g line. Bishop d6, takes. Yeah, black decided not to take immediately, because after takes I still can go rook g1. So I have bishop g5, I want to go queen h5, everything, so bishop h6 as well. That's why this position is completely dangerous for black. So black decided to play in queen h4. They're trying to create any sort of the counterplay, attacking the pawn on h3. But with a cold heart, Lasker plays queen f3. The queen is protecting everything, and we still wants to go rook g1. No chances for black. Black tried to take rook g1. And here, we wants to go bishop g5. And the queen starts to be a big problem for black. So, as well, at some moment, we are ready to capture on f5. Why not? Our pawn is still magnificent and can be moved forward. Black tried to play f4. The idea is to block the bishop on c1 and block bishop g5 move. Rook g4 very logical, attacking the f4 pawn. Queen goes h6. And a nice distracting tactics, e7. What is the idea? The idea that we want to distract the bishop who is protecting the pawn on f4. We are opening queen d5 with a check to this king. So black basically needs to take on a7, but after bishop f4, we unlocked all our pieces to attack. The rest rook is also ready to come to the attack, and we are smashing black. So black played here queen e6, and they just resign immediately, without the waiting of the nice combination. You can press stop and try to find a combination for white here, because the best move is rooks goes g7, and that's unlocking the king completely. Kings goes g7, rook g1. Again, all white pieces are inside the attack, and it's basically no chances. If king will go to h8, I can go just queen h5 with a checkmating. If king goes f6, then I can go bishop e5 with a checkmate to this king. And if black will try to block with the bishop g5, I still gonna capture. If still king h8, then queen h5, winning immediately. Checkmate next move. If king f6, then just rook g6. Next move I will take the queen on f6. The king is still open. My queen with the bishops are attacking, demolishing. Completely demolished the position of black. So take this Lasker's tactics in count and learn from him how to attack the opponent's king. I hope that you enjoyed this video and took some great strategies to your games. So hope to see you on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next videos.